Half of 2025 is gone, and you still haven't started. At the beginning of the year, you told yourself, this is it. This is the year I reach my goals. This is the year I finally get the freedom I've always wanted. This is the year I actually do something with my life. So there you are, sitting at your desk, laptop open, telling yourself you're working on your new business idea. At least, that's what you told yourself. Fast forward 3 hours and 48 YouTube videos later, and you're still sitting there, but nothing's really changed. No real progress. Nothing achieved. And here's the truth. Most people say they want to get fit. Most don't. Most people say they want to build a successful business, but most never will. Why? Because most people's brains are fucked. And if your brain's fucked, well, you're fucked. To build anything meaningful in life, you need focus. You need the ability to sit with one task and stay with it for hours, days, even weeks. And if your mind is constantly all over the place, how can you ever do that? So let's talk about how to unfuck your brain. Part 1. Your mind is distracted. Let's be honest, we all know focus is important. But what is focus, really? Focus means putting all of your attention 100% on just one thing, nothing else. If you're not focused, that means your attention is being pulled in many different directions. That's distraction. And the truth is, we've all become addicted to distraction. You probably can't even watch this whole video without checking your phone, looking at the comments, or thinking about something else. Every time you do that, you're brainwashing yourself, training your brain to always need more stimulation. You're teaching your mind that it can't function without being distracted. So let me ask you, with a fucked brain, how the fuck can you expect to stay focused and do something great? Here's the first step. Turn off your phone. Seriously. Turn it off and leave it in another room for 24 hours. You'll quickly realize you're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to being distracted. And if you keep feeding that addiction, none of this video really fucking matters, because you'll never have the focus to actually take action. But if you're ready to take control, here's a challenge. The 30-day focus protocol. For the next 30 days, split your day into 30-minute blocks. From 1 a.m. to 12 p.m., track what you're doing every 30 minutes. By the end of the month, you'll have clear proof of where your time is going and how much of it is wasted on pointless fucking shit. Once you see it, remove that pointless shit from your life. It sounds simple, and it is. So just try it. What do you really have to lose? Part 2. You're probably confused. Let's be real. Most people don't know what they want to do with their life. That's why they don't take action. If you don't know what you want, how can you know what to do? And if you don't know what to do, but you know there's something you should be doing, you end up feeling confused and stuck. This is the trap most people fall into. And they stay here for years, sometimes their entire life. They either never start anything, or they spend years working on the wrong thing. Both lead to the same place, regret. This stage has a name. It's called the anti-zone. It's that place in your life where you want to do something, but you don't know what, you don't know how, so you end up doing nothing. Sound familiar? Here's how to escape the anti-zone. You need to enter the zone. The zone is a mental state of deep focus. Top athletes feel it. Successful business owners live in it. According to a 1989 study, it's the happiest state a human being can be in. You've probably experienced it before when you're so into something that time disappears. Like when you're deep in a game, a creative project, or solving a problem. You're fully present, fully focused. Nothing else exists. Now imagine living like that every day. That's what we want. And here's how to enter the zone. First, figure out what you really want. Don't overthink it. Don't lie to yourself. Sit quietly. Think. Ask yourself, where the fuck do I want to go? When you have that answer, write down the exact steps to get there. Then take action on those steps every single day. Because the zone isn't magic. It's just consistent, focused progress on one specific goal. That's how you get out of confusion. That's how you create momentum. That's how you build something great. Part 3. Your diet is fucked. You're a human. You live in a system. You wake up, go about your day, sleep, and repeat. This system has inputs like food, sleep, and what you consume. And it has outputs like focus, energy, and productivity. If your input is fucked, your output will be fucked. You already know this. Sleep for 2 hours tonight and tomorrow. You'll feel like shit. But here's the question. Why the fuck do you keep ignoring your diet? Ever tried reading a book and after 2 lines you forget what you just read? That's not bad memory. That's your fucked diet. If you eat like shit, you think like shit. And if you think like shit, how the fuck can you build anything amazing? You can't. So if you want better output, fix your input first. Give your body and brain what they need. You can have the clearest goal and the perfect plan, but if your mind and body are fucked, you'll stay stuck. Fix your diet. Improve your sleep. Cut the crap. When your inputs are solid, your outputs become powerful. Your brain clears up, your focus returns, your motivation kicks in, and suddenly, the results come. So here's your wake-up call. It's 23rd May, Friday, 2025. is almost halfway over, and you still haven't started. If not now, then when the fuck will you? You've already wasted enough time. Turn off the distractions. Get clear on what you want. Fuel your body the right way, and take action every single day. This is how you unfuck your brain. This is how you unlock focus. This is how you finally reach your goals. Let's fucking go.